I'm here with
Delilah.
and today we tried to make slime. Yes, we already made slime and we tried to do it and
A disaster.
it was a disaster. A hot mess express. And as you can tell by our shirts and our hair and everything. But why don't you go check out the video for yourself? Okay guys, so first thing, you'll be needing for slime, you'll be needing glue, shaving cream, icon solution. It's like activator. This is just more glue, a bowl, and something to mix with. Are you ready to do this?
I'm so ready.
Okay. Okay, so can you just keep that. Now I put our shaving cream. Before you do your shaving cream, you want to mix it first because inside it's like watery kind of, so you want to mix it like that.
Get the water.
Yeah. Takes a lot to mix. Okay, so we're just gonna add guys, I don't know if this is gonna be a fail, to be honest with you guys.
But mine
I feel like I put too much. Okay guys, can you please add some icon solution, please?
Yes, baby.
Put like a lot, not a lot, but
Tell me what to stop.
Okay. Push more. I don't know what's missing, guys. Like shaving cream, because I put lots of shaving cream. Put like a lot. Keep going. It's not turning out how I expected it to be, but sometimes it's a fail, sometimes it's fine. You just gotta keep kneading and kneading. Our slime is coming out so good. Oh, I got some on the table. Okay. Delilah, put more of this. Hurry. Put more, Delilah, put more. Okay guys, this is really turning out bad. I got some on the carpet. I know, I got it everywhere.
Look at this. This is sticking to me. Look,
Okay guys, good thing Okay guys, I think that's all for today's video. And that's all for today's video. We hope you liked, but before we end, smash that like button.
and subscribe.
We hope you like the video. Bye guys.
We're doing the pause.